Africa is not poor. Africa is under-leveraged. Beneath its soil lies the foundation of the next global economic evolution. Every year, billions are spent importing food, while millions of hectares remain underutilized. Farmers work hard, but without systems, data, or structured support. The issue is not effort. The issue is infrastructure. AFREEGRI is leading a new paradigm: Africa Economic Evolution through Agriculture, a system designed to transform agriculture into a structured, intelligent, and scalable economic engine. We don't start with assumptions. We start with science. AFREEGRI operates through a precision model: soil intelligence and analysis, organic and regenerative inputs, AI-powered decision systems, farmer capability building, structured field operations. This is agriculture engineered for performance. Our journey begins in Cameroon. In collaboration with national stakeholders, AFREEGRI is deploying its first pilot across 200 hectares. This is not a test, it is a foundation. From 200 hectares to 15,000 hectares, AFREEGRI is built to scale, transforming agriculture into a structured economic layer. We connect the ecosystem: global expertise, local knowledge, government vision, private sector execution. AFREEGRI is not working alone. It is building a network for continental transformation. This is about food security, but also about dignity, about ownership, about rewriting Africa's economic story. AFREEGRI is not a project. It is a system, a platform, a movement. AFREEGRI, Africa Economic Evolution through Agriculture.